There are certain factors that they use to determine whether or not a police officer had probable cause when they were doing something. And what that basically means is it has to be more than a suspicion. You can't just suspect somebody of doing something. You actually have to have some tangible form of evidence. And that generally comes in a couple different manners, such as observation. A police officer sees you commit a crime. That's probable cause. If an officer has certain expertise in an area and maybe didn't see you actually commit the crime, but based on their expertise, they're saying they thought you were committing a crime. Generally when they hear from witnesses, so they didn't see something, they didn't hear it, anything like that, but somebody walks up and say, hey, somebody's robbing somebody around the corner, that's probable cause. So it's not a concrete term, but it is still something where they have to be able to prove more than, hey, that guy just looks like he's doing something bad.
The officer knows what is required for him to prove probable cause. For instance, he can stop your car because one of your license plate lights is out. But it's just a vehicle code violation. It doesn't give him the right to search your car. But if during the course of the stop and his conversation with you, while looking in your vehicle, he sees something illegal, for instance, a joint in the ashtray, he now has probable cause to search the rest of the vehicle. If he looks in your car or something that you do or say makes him feel that he's in danger, he can then search your car for weapons. He has to be able to convince a court, a jury, potentially a judge in a motion, that he had a reasonable belief that there was something so dangerous about this situation. And that could be that you're a convicted felon for violent crime.
In the real world, I would recommend that you remain polite and calm. Any agitation or furtive movements or actions could give the police officer probable cause or reasonable suspicion.
Probable cause just means the police officer has a reasonable belief that a person has committed a crime.